Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. I'm going to try this video for the third time. I recorded 4 videos and the microphone was not working. It is now. So I'm going to do this quick while I'm still around. So I did a video where I explained about the sharper, steeper angle on the chisels. I tried it on the Paulownia. I tried it on basswood. The Paulownia is still just blowing out. And I did speak with a master Japanese carpenter about this. And he said, yes, sometimes a lower angle and sometimes just have to get that edge super, super sharp and take thin cuts. Well, these chisels must not be hard enough because they just rolled over. The other thing I talked about was how I'm having trouble holding things with the injured hand. I know, I'm talking about the hand again. It's annoying. So I'm going to have to learn how to do things left-handed and use this only maybe for light pressure and for some guidance. So more than likely, I'm going to end up doing chisel and blade sharpening a little bit more like Paul Sellers does, where he holds the chisel in one hand, puts a little bit of pressure on it with the other one, and just goes back and forth like this. And you end up with a slight concavity on the bevel, which will not hurt anything. So when I raise the angle, I get less rolling of the edge, so it makes for a stronger edge. So now that's ready for stropping. My other option is to do it one-handed and just heel to toe and do it that way. And then remove the burr, putting pressure with the ring finger mostly. And we don't put a lot of pressure on diamond plates anyway. So that's ready for stropping. So I hope I still have sound on this video. Is Mr. Mike still working? Yes, Mr. Mike is still working. So I'm all bundled up. It's spring. Yeah, you saw my other video, right? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. It's been a heck of a week so far, and it's Monday. Last week, my one car died. It needed a new battery. There went $250. Today, I took it in for oil change and service. There goes $225. And I found out that it needs brakes. Who knows how much that's going